flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county, Cook County, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Central County in Northeast Illinois, South Central Cook County in Northeast Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 9:16 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Doppler radar estimated 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen across the area, with up to 1 inch of additional rainfall expected over the next 1 to 2 hours. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago Heights, Flossmoor, Frankfort, Glenwood, Madison, Moki Nup, Olympia Fields, Orland Park, Park Forest, Stager, Tinley Park, University Park, Country Club Hills, Hazel Crest, and Homewood. Several reports of standing water on roads and highways, including the Lincoln Highway. Other locations affected: First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Prairie State College. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile.